Fun with the 3D printed goodies. Diesel. Yeah, nice little set. Look at this. Oh. Hey everybody. In the shop. It's getting late. Kind of going over some last little things. This one didn't print out great, so got glued in the center. I'm gonna still try to paint it, see what we can make out of that. If not, that'll just get thrown away. Same with that one, it glitched in the middle of it. These guys just got hung up and painted. Give it kind of a old school look, huh? Those are all done. These guys are done. The balls are gonna be getting there. And some more gas cans printed out, so those will go soon. And let's see, what else? Some more ice coolers, ice chests. Got done. And move some of the stuff so you can see. Another toolbox. That's not the greatest lighting. And then lately I've been working on the foamless inserts. Trying to get a foamless insert just the right size for the 1.5s or 1.9s. These are like 1.7s. Would work great. So 1.9 just needs to be a little wider out here on the print. Morbo's working on that. My son, we'll get that figured out, and then we'll start putting these soft inserts and replace the foam. And these little gas cans are pretty cool. We've got little tops that come off and unscrew. So those are getting ready to get painted. Anyways, going over a few things here. Tell me what you think. It's looking pretty good. This will be figured out and real soon, and then we'll get these in there and then give them some tests. See how the inserts do compared to the foams. Alright, take care everybody. See you out on the trail. Here's the new design. Idea number 2 for the foam inserts. Or replacement for the foam inserts, right? Alright.